Welcome back to Blackboard AI. In Python, creating threads is easy, but getting them to talk to each other without crashing your program is the real challenge. Since threads share the same memory space, they need a safe way to exchange data. Today, we are breaking down the 3 best ways to handle thread communication. The simplest way is using a global variable. Since threads share memory, they can both see the same object. However, this is dangerous. If 2 threads try to modify a variable at the exact same millisecond, you get a race condition. Even simple code might result in the wrong final count. The threading event object is the simplest communication tool. It acts like a flag. One thread waits for the flag to be set and another thread sets it. Use events when you need one thread to trigger another start. It is a simple stop or go signal that keeps your program flowing. If you need to pass actual data like messages or objects, the queue is your best friend. It is thread safe, which prevents your data from getting corrupted. The producer puts data in and the consumer pulls data out. If the queue is empty, the consumer automatically waits. Finally, we have the threading condition object. This is for complex logic where a thread needs to wait for a specific state change. It is like an event, but it allows you to notify one or all waiting threads. It is often used in chef and waiter restaurant scenarios. In summary, use queues for 90% of your work, use events for simple triggers, and avoid shared global variables whenever possible. If you found this lesson helpful, write threaded in the comments and subscribe to Blackboard AI for more Python architecture breakdowns. See you later.